Let us continue the slides now. So x power 4 plus 4 x cube plus x minus 10 and division x square plus 3x minus 5. So here look at the dividend. So here the dividend is nothing but is a fourth degree polynomial and the divisor is second degree polynomial. So we are going to divide the fourth degree polynomial by second degree polynomial here. Okay, and look at the powers of the variables in the fourth degree polynomial. So here power 4 is there and power 3 is there and we need power 2, isn't it? So if any powers are missing means we can add 0 instead of that. Okay, so this will become now, that is x square plus 3x minus 5 and here x power 4 plus 4 x cube plus, and the square term is not there, so 0 x to the power 2, okay, plus x minus 10, right? So before going to divide, check whether they having all the powers or not in us, and that is in descending order. That is, this is fourth degree polynomial, so we need 4, power 3 and power 2 and power 1 and constant. If it starts from power 3 means power 3, power 2, power 1 and constant. It will become like this. Okay. So before going to divide, check whether they are in certain order or not. Otherwise, change it. The device is also like this only. Here power 2 is there, here power 1 is there and constant. Otherwise, add 0. Okay. Right. So now we are going to write the first term of the quotient. So that divide this first term by the first term. Right. So x to the power 4 divided by this one x. Okay. So only variables are this. Now reduce the power. Okay, power 2 and remainder power. Okay, so the first term of the quotient is divided. Okay. Now multiply this with these three terms. That is with all the terms of the divisor. Okay. So here x square definitely it will be the same. That is x to the power 4. Okay. So next multiply the second term with this one. So here plus, here also plus. So sign is plus. And here 3, here 1 is there. So 3 into 1, 3. And x square, so x cube. So next here minus, here plus. So plus into minus, minus. And here 5, here 1. So 5 into 1, 5. And only one variable is there, x square, right as it is. Okay, if you suppose, if you miss, that is, if you forget to write this 0x square here means it will be equal to x square, x only here. Okay, so you will get a confusion. So for that purpose only, if any terms are missing, you can add 0 instead of that. Okay, so now simplify this, that is subtracted to change the sign of the down expression. So minus, so here also minus, and here plus. So after changing the sign, we have to consider that sign only. Okay. So the first term automatically get cancel each other. And for the second term, here plus 4, here minus 3. So plus 4 after changing the sign, minus 3. So if we subtract it, 1. So 1 and write the variable as it is, that is x cube. Okay. Now here plus 0 and here plus 5. Okay. So both are positive. So when we add here, plus 5 will come. So here plus 5, the variable is x square. Okay. And next, so write the remaining terms down. So plus x minus 10. Okay. So next, check the degree of the remainder. So here the degree of the remainder is 3, power 3. And here the degree of the divisor is 2. So this is maximum than this one. So continue the process. Right. Now how can I write the second term of the quotient? Divide the first term by the first term. Okay. So here the first term is x cube. That is only x cube. You can write x cube alone. And here x square. So when we cancel this, the power reduces to 1. So x to the power 1. So plus x or x to the power 1. Okay. Now after writing the second term of the quotient, multiply this with these three steps. Okay, these three terms. So the first term will be the same definitely. It will come like this only. And second term, here 3 is there, here 1 is there. So plus 3 into 1, 3. And here x power 1. So both when you multiply, you get x square. And here minus plus, so minus. So 5 into 1, 5. That is 5 and with a variable x. Okay. Now change the sign of the down expression. So here minus. So here also minus and here plus. So the first term cancel each other. What are the remaining here? Plus 5 after changing the sign minus 3. So plus 5. So after changing the sign minus 3. So both are different signs. So subtracted. So 2. So 2x square. And then here next one here plus 1. Here plus 5. So plus 1 after changing the sign plus 5. Okay. So both are positive. So when we add these two, so we get 6. So plus 6, the variable is x here. And then down the next last number, that is minus 10. So look at the that is degree of the remainder. So here the degree of the remainder is 2. What are the degree of the divisor here? 2 only. So both are same position. So continue the process again. Okay. So how can I write the next step of the quotient? Again divide the first term by the first term here. Okay. So here the first term is 2x square. So 2x square divided by here x square. Okay. So both are same variable. So x square will cancel. Remaining 2 is there. So write here plus 2. Okay. After writing this, write the first term here as it is. That is 2x square. And for the second term, multiply second term with this one. So here 3x plus 2. So when you multiply 3 2s are 6x. And here minus 5. Here plus. So minus into plus minus. So 5 2s are 10. Next, change the sign of the down expression. So here minus, here also minus, and here plus. So the first term automatically will cancel each other. And look at here plus 6 after changing the sign minus 6. So plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled. Similarly here minus 10, here plus 10. So both are different sign and same number, that also get cancelled. So the remainder is 0 here. So what about the degree of the remainder now? So degree of the remainder is 0 itself. And here the degree of the remainder divisor is 2. So this is less than this one. Okay. So just stop the procedure here. Now this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Okay. Look at the next question. So here example 4x cubed minus 30x square plus 2x minus 7 and x square plus 3x minus 2. So check whether they are in ascending, that is in sorting order or not. That is the look at the power. Here 3, here 2, here power 1 constant. So it is in the sorting order. And what about here? So here 2, here power 1, here constant. Right. So we can divide directly here. Okay. So, right. So now how can we write? Divide the first term by the first term as usual here. So 4x cube and divided by here x square. So only variables is here. So when we divide it, reduce it will become 4x to the power 1. So 4x to the power 1. Okay. Now multiply this with all the 3 terms. So the first term will be the same as this, that is 4x cube, and multiply the second term with this one. So plus, so here 3, here 4, so 3 4s are 12. So here x, here also x square. And when you multiply with the third, so here minus, here plus, so minus, and 2 4s are 8x. So now change the sign of the down expression. Here minus, here also minus, and here plus. Okay. So the first term get cancel each other, and here minus 13. So minus 13, and after changing the sign, here also minus 13. So both are same sign and same number. So add this to minus 26. So minus 20. So here I think 12 here. Sorry. So 4 into x square, 4x cube, and 4 3s are 12 only we come here. 12. Okay. When you subtract it, here minus 13, here minus 12, so minus 25 x square, and so here plus 2, here plus 8, plus 2, and down here plus 8. So when we add these two, plus 10 x minus 7. Okay, and next look at the degree of the remainder here. So degree of the remainder is 2, here the degree of the remainder is 2, so both are same, therefore continue the procedure. Okay, so divide the first term by the first term. So minus 25 x square and divided by x square. Okay, so this x square get cancelled. What about the remaining one? Minus 25. So write minus 25 as it is, and multiply with this one here. So minus 25 as it is will come. So minus 25 x square, and next when we multiply here, so minus, so 3 15s are, so 3 15s are, so 45 x, and when you multiply these two, minus into minus plus, so 15 2s are 30. Now change the sign. So here plus, and here also plus, and here minus. Okay, so they get cancel each other. So here plus 10, here plus 45. So totally, so 55 x, and here minus 7, minus 30. So minus 37. Okay, now look at the degree of the remainder. So degree of the remainder is 1, and what about the degree of divisor here? So degree of divisor is 2. So this is less than this one. So stop the procedure. Okay, so suppose they are equal means you can continue. So the remainder is less than the divisor, that is according to the degree, you can stop the procedure. Okay, now that is your quotient, and this is the remainder. So 4x minus 15 is the quotient, and 55x minus 37 is the remainder. I think everyone of you understood the division process now. Okay, so here in each stages we have to reduce one term. That is, if it is that is cubic polynomial, means after dividing in the first stage it will become second degree polynomial, and after dividing it will become first degree polynomial. So like this. Okay, so here you should just check whether the remainder, that is the degree of the remainder, is greater than or equal or less than the degree of the divisor. If the degree of the remainder is equal to or greater than the degree of the divisor, means you can continue the process. If the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor, stop the procedure. Okay, so that is the division procedure, right? So these are the Homer sums. Okay, right? So here the first the dividend term is cubic polynomial, and the divisor term is linear polynomial. So divide this one by this one by the usual procedure. Okay, and look at the second question. So this is also cubic polynomial, and this is linear polynomial, but here one degree is missing here. That is here x cube. Next one x square, we need x square is not there. So instead of that, add 0 x square and divide it. Okay, so this is also cubic polynomial, and you are going to divide this by the linear, that is quadratic polynomial here. Okay, so try these sums. Okay, and if you not understand, just go through the video once again. Still you will have any doubt, ask me, I'll clear it. Okay, so thank you. We'll meet in the next session.